सोच समझकर फैसला लो। डिसाइड वाइजली, डिसाइड वाइजली। कोई तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा है। Someone is waiting for you. Someone is waiting for you. तुम हमेशा देर क्यों करते हो? Why are you always late? Why are you always late? आपने मुझे गौर से सुना? Did you listen to me carefully? Did you listen to me carefully? इसे ध्यान से पढ़ो। Read this carefully. Read this carefully. अपनी किताबें साफ रखो। Keep your books clean. Keep your books clean. अगर तुम चाहो तो सब कुछ मुमकिन है। If you want, everything is possible. If you want, everything is possible. तुम इतनी जल्दी क्यों उठ गए? Why did you wake up so early? Why did you wake up so early? क्या तुमने कभी ऐसा महसूस किया है? Have you ever felt this way? Have you ever felt this way? क्या तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि यह गलत है? Don't you think this is wrong? Don't you think this is wrong? एक बार फिर कोशिश करो। Try once more. Try once more. आओ हम सब मिलकर काम करें। Let's all work together. Let's all work together. मैं तुमसे मिलकर खुश हूं। I am happy to meet you. I am happy to meet you. जितना हो सके उतना जल्दी आओ। Come as soon as possible. Come as soon as possible. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Why is this happening? Why is this happening? क्या यह सही तरीका है बोलने का? Is this the right way to speak? Is this the right way to speak? बात को घुमा फिराकर मत कहो। Don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. एक मौका और दो। Give one more chance. Give one more chance. क्या तुम्हें यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? जब तक मैं लौटूं यहीं रहो। Stay here until I return. Stay here until I return. कृपया दरवाजा खोल दीजिए। Please open the door. Please open the door. क्या यह तुम्हारी आखिरी कोशिश थी? Was that your last attempt? Was that your last attempt? ऐसा लगता है कि वह कुछ छिपा रहा है। It seems like he is hiding something. It seems like he is hiding something. चलो इस बार उसे माफ कर देते हैं। Let's forgive him this time. Let's forgive him this time. मैं सोच रहा हूं कि क्या करूं। I am wondering what to do. I am wondering what to do. यदि समय होता तो मैं आता। If I had time, I would come. If I had time, I would come. हो सकता है वह अभी रास्ते में हो। Maybe he is on the way right now. Maybe he is on the way right now. यह मौका हाथ से मत जाने दो। Don't let this chance slip away. Don't let this chance slip away. कुछ देर इंतजार कीजिए। प्लीज वेट फॉर अ वाइल। प्लीज वेट फॉर अ वाइल। तुम सही कह रहे हो। यू आर राइट। यू आर राइट। सच बताओ, क्या तुमने किया था? टेल द ट्रूथ, डिड यू डू इट? टेल द ट्रूथ, डिड यू डू इट? अगर हम समय पर निकले होते। इफ वी हैड लेफ्ट ऑन टाइम। इफ वी हैड लेफ्ट ऑन टाइम। मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं कहा। I didn't say anything like this. I didn't say anything like this. हर किसी को एक मौका मिलना चाहिए। Everyone deserves a chance. Everyone deserves a chance. चलो बाहर चलते हैं ताजी हवा में। Let's go out in the fresh air. Let's go out in the fresh air. जितनी जल्दी हो सके आओ। Come as soon as you can. Come as soon as you can. ये तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा मौका है। This is a good opportunity for you. This is a good opportunity for you. क्या आप मुझे थोड़ा समय दे सकते हैं? Can you give me a little time? Can you give me a little time? उसने खुद माना कि वह गलत था। He admitted himself that he was wrong. He admitted himself that he was wrong. कितनी बार समझाऊं तुम्हें? How many times should I explain to you? How many times should I explain to you? यह तो अविश्वसनीय है। This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. यह बात सबको बताई जानी चाहिए। This should be told to everyone. This should be told to everyone. क्या आपने पहले कभी विदेश यात्रा की है? Have you ever traveled abroad before? Have you ever traveled abroad before? कोशिश तो करो, शायद सफल हो जाओ। At least try, you might succeed. At least try, you might succeed. कोई हल जरूर निकलेगा। There must be a solution. There must be a solution. यह मौका दोबारा नहीं मिलेगा। This opportunity won't come again. This opportunity won't come again. जल्दी करो वरना देर हो जाएगी। Hurry up or else we'll be late. Hurry up or else we'll be late. जीवन एक बार ही मिलता है, पूरी तरह जियो। You only live once, live fully. You only live once, live fully. चलो पहले कुछ खा लेते हैं। Let's eat something first. Let's eat something first.